Hello, it's Christian with Mate. Adding an Apple TV to your HomeKit home allows it to act as a hub for remote access, and it adds the Apple TV to your whole home music experience using Siri. On the Apple TV, go to Settings, Accounts, then iCloud, and make sure it's signed in with the same Apple ID you use for iCloud on your phone. Next, go to Settings, AirPlay, Room, and select a room. Hold your phone near your Apple TV. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. After your Apple TV is set up for AirPlay 2, you can select an existing room or create a new one. Your Apple TV is now part of your HomeKit home. Watch our video on using Siri with music for more. Thanks, and have a great day. Check the description for links to products to take your HomeKit to the next level.